Hello everyone, good morning. Today we will continue our chapter triangle and its properties and some examples. Now today we are discussing. See the example, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio this, find the measure of each angle of a triangle. How to solve these type of question? We already discussed in the equation or algebraic expressions chapter also. But here we will use the concept of triangle only. Extra thing is this, we will use the concept of triangle here, property of a triangle. See how to solve this question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:10. One method that we can find out, that let angles of a triangles are excuse me 3x, 5x and 10x. Three angles. Now we have 3x, 5x and 10x. We know the property of a triangle. So we know 3x plus 5x plus 10x is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. Now 3 plus 5 7 8, 8 plus 10 18. This it means x value is 180 by 18 is equal to 10 degree. Hence or therefore the angles of a triangle are 3 into 10 30 degree, 5 into 10 50 degree and 10 into 10 100 degree. These one of the method is this. किसी भी रेशियो वाले क्वेश्चन को एक मैथड से हम ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड मैथड व्हाट वी कैन डू, दैट वी कैन फाइंड आउट सम ऑफ द रेशियोज. Is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 10, that is equal to 18. Now first angle, then ratio for the first angle is 3, sum of the ratio is 18, multiply by total sum 180 degree, then 10 and directly you can find out 30 degree. Similarly second angle, ratio 5, sum 18 and sum of angle is equal to 180 degree, so it become 50 degree. And third angle, 10 divided by 18 into 180, 10 into 10 100 degree. So this type also we can find out all three angles. We can solve the problems of ratios. Now see the second. In a right angle triangle, what is the meaning of right angle triangle? Right angle triangle, that we can say one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. It means in a right angle triangle, we can say angle 1 is equal to 90 degree. Then the acute angles, remaining angles. So angle 2 ratio angle 3 is equal to given to you 2 ratio 3. See, one angle is 90 degree, then what is the sum of other two angles? That is equal to 90 degree, because 180 minus 90, that we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. It means angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 90 becomes 90 degree. So let these two angles, let angle 2 is equal to 2x and angle 3 is equal to 3x. Now put the value. 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 by 5. That becomes 18 degree. It means angle 2 becomes 2 multiplied by 18 is equal to 36 degree. 3 multiplied by 18 means 54 degree. So, one method is this. Second method, see, angle 2 is equal to ratio given to you 2, sum of this ratio 5 multiply sum of these angle 90 degree. So, you can find out directly 18 is equal to 36 degree. Similarly, angle 3, ratio 3, sum of these angles, sum of these ratio 5 and both angles are 90 degree, 54 degree. So, you can use any one of the method for solving it. Okay, now see more examples. In the given figure, DE parallel to BC. Angle B is equal to 20 degree and angle A is equal to 30 degree. Find the lettered angles. Diagram is given to you. ABC is a triangle. DE parallel to BC. This one 20 degree, this one 30 degree. Lettered angles X, Z, Y, T. Okay, see now. In this given triangle, given figure DE parallel to BC, this one line is parallel to this. It means we can use the concept of transversal or angles formed by transversal and parallel line. This one is transversal for it. If I make like this, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC, then this become ADB, transversal for it. Then what is the relation between these angles? Relation between these angles, this one interior and this one becomes exterior. So, pair of interior and exterior becomes corresponding angle. And we know that when a transversal intersect two parallel lines, their corresponding angles are equal. So, this one 20 degree, then this one also 20 degree. So, what is the value of x? We can say x is equal to 20 degree corresponding with angle DBC. Now, see the next 20 degree. Now, if you see ADE is a triangle. In triangle ADE, 30 degree plus 20 degree plus Z is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle, some property of a triangle. So find out this. Z is equal to 180 minus 50, 130 degree. In the same case, this line is parallel to this, then it becomes transversal. Then what is the relation between these two? These are corresponding angle. Then angle Y is equal to angle Z also 130 degree. Reason corresponding angles. Now remaining is T. How to find out the T angle? T angle, this is not a triangle, so we can't find out by the triangle property. But see, in this line, if I take this one, this is a part of this T, then a ray stand on it. This one like ADBE. One angle is 20 degree and this one is T. Then a ray DE stand on a line AB, then sum of this adjacent angle is equal to 180 degree. We can use the concept of linear pair. Then what is the value of T? That is equal to 160 degree. So this time we will solve these type of question. Now we will solve some exercise question. One question is given to you, if each angle of a triangle, if each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two, is less than the sum of other two, show that the triangle is acute angled. Show that the triangle is acute angle. It means this is a acute angle triangle. How to show this is? If each angle of a triangle, firstly we let triangle angle A is less than sum of other two angles. Let angle A less than angle B plus angle C. बाकी दोनों एंगल के सम से लेस देन है. सपोज एड एंगल A both side. Then it become angle A plus angle A, angle B plus angle C plus angle A. Then it becomes 2 of angle A less than, this becomes sum of all the angles, and we know that in a triangle sum of all angles is equal to equal to 180 degree. So we can say according to this 2 of angle A less than 180 degree. Then angle A less than 90 degree. Divide by 2 both sides, then it becomes angle A less than 90 degree. This one is acute angle. Similarly, we can consider that angle B less than angle A plus angle C. In this case, we add both side angle B, then it becomes 2 of angle B less than 180 degree, angle B less than 90 degree. So we can say this one is also acute angle. Next also we can consider angle C. It means if all the angles in a triangle less than 90 degree, then this is called acute angle triangle. So this time we will prove this question. Okay, now see the next one. One figure is given to you. In this figure, first we have to find out angle B, second angle EDC, third angle ADE, fourth angle AED, fifth DEC, sixth DCE, ACB. These angles we want to find out in the given figure. In this figure ABC, this one angle is given to you 55 degree. What is the meaning of this line? It means they are parallel to each other. If they are parallel to each other, then what we can say? These lines are parallel to each other. Firstly, we want to find out the angle B. This one angle we want to find out. Diagram is right. Okay, see. Now, this one 55 degree. If you see properly, then this one becomes alternate interior angle. This 25 and this also 25 degree. This 100, this 25 and this also 25. Reason alternate interior angles. Now see this one linear pair, angles, adjacent angles on the same side of a line, then 100 plus 25 plus angle ADE is equal to 180 degree, then angle ADE is equal to 180 minus 125, 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 2, 5, 55 degree. So, these two angles 55 degree, then what is the value of this angle? 55 plus 55, 110, then this angle is 70 degree. This one parallel line, and what is the relation between these two angles? Corresponding angle, then this angle is also 70 degree. What is the relation between these two angles? This is 55 degree, then this also 55 degree. Now, remaining this one angle 70 minus 25, 10 minus 5, 5, 6 minus 2, 4, 45 degree. Okay, now see angle B value is equal to 55 degree. EDC 25 degree. ADE also 55 degree. AED is equal to 70 degree. DEC, this one angle, this 70, then this one become 110. DCE 45 degree. ACB 70 degree. So using this concept we will solve these questions. Okay student, now you can complete your exercise 11A. If you have some problem then tell me. We will discuss some more questions related to this exercise, but now start your work to do 11A exercise in your notebook. Thank you.